Hello friends, Anuradha here. Today I am going to tell you something about how to be a fashionista. First, let us understand what is fashion. Fashion is basically the style, the trend, or the sense of dressing with the help of clothes or accessories, footwear, makeup, body language, which one carries. And the term fashionista is a person who promotes this, who carries a fashion, or who designs this kind of fashion for herself or himself, for anybody else. So basically, earlier, this term fashion is associated with a very small sector of people, like the glamour industry or the corporate world or the so-called high society people. But thankfully, the things are changing now. The fashion industry is finally getting its due because more and more people, especially women, have understood the importance of being a fashionista. Here I would like to clear one thing, that fashionista doesn't mean being a fashionista doesn't mean that you need to wear ultra modern clothes or do ultra modern styling or wear short clothes or anything. You can be a fashionista with any kind of clothes or with any kind of style or with any kind of fashion, be it traditional, be it modern, or any kind. What is important is you need to be updated with the latest styles, latest fashion, latest trends. You need to keep the pace with the latest fashion things going on around the world. And the most important thing is you need to be confident in whatever you wear. You need not just blindly follow the fashion or the trends of the world. You can create your own style statements also and be a fashionista. So basically, I am very glad and I'm happy that I'm associated with Oriflame, because Oriflame has inspired me and it keeps inspiring me to be a fashionista. It updates us regularly with all the latest styles and fashion trends all from all over the world. And when you're working for a multinational level company, you cannot lag behind. Here I would like to share one experience of mine. Like before Oriflame, whenever I wanted to buy some clothes or any accessories or anything, I would just go to the shop and pick up whatever I liked, and maybe the color or the style I would love, and I would get it home. And most of the time, when I would try it on myself, I would get disappointed because that particular thing was not suiting my body. It was only after joining Oriflame and attending some of the grooming sessions by the company, I understood the importance that you need to try anything, try the clothes or the accessories before you buy it for yourself. All good looking things may not look good on you because everybody is having different personality, different body structure, body style and all. So it's very important to first try the things on yourself before you buy it for yourself. So this was one important lesson I learned with Oriflame's grooming session. And today I'm really glad that I am known as a fashionista. People say that they are inspired by my style statements, and I like the compliment they give when they say that I carry all kind of dresses in very well and with confidence and beautifully. So I'm really happy that I have emerged as a fashionista because I love dressing up. And I would say that if you also are aspiring to be a fashionista, if you like to dress up, if you love to look beautiful, if you like to get compliments from people, Oriflame is the right thing for you. Because with the help of Oriflame's beautiful products, you can look beautiful. With the help of beautiful trainings, you can groom yourself to become a diva, and with the help of unique income opportunity, you can really fulfill all your beauty and fashion dreams. So be a fashionista, be beautiful, love yourself and be yourself. Thank you very much.